Hey everybody, so we are in the midst of Blizzard Nemo. This is, what is the date? It's February 8th, 2013. My guys are all outside. They dragged me outside. I figured, you know what? I'm going to enjoy this snow before we have 2 feet of it. So here are my guys enjoying a little bit of the blizzard. Anybody need help with their snowman?
Henry's getting stuck.
Okay, Henry, that's why we have Daddy outside.
Is this big enough?
That's very big. Good job, guys.
Whoever's biggest is on the bottom.
I want the ball.
That's William.
That thing's massive.
Here we go. Everybody wave to the camera.
Howdy. Hi.
Are you throwing snowballs at me? Are you serious?
I wasn't trying.
You're trying to hit my cell phone. Go for it. Oh, God. I'm going to get out of here. Okay, I got to go before I get hit. I have a belly to protect.
Pregnant lady fall in the driveway.